Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, join us while we explore Singapore Sports Hub. The Singapore Sports Hub is a state-of-the-art, fully integrated sports, entertainment and lifestyle hub. Located on a 35-hectare site within the city at Kallang. It features a unique cluster of world-class facilities that includes 2 stadiums, skate park, aquatic and water sports center, an arena, 2 museums, a mall, water park for kids, library, and the list goes on. The public is free to use the 100+ Promenade if you want to run on those rainy days or simply don't want to get sunburned. The Aquatic Centre is currently closed due to the COVID restrictions. The same goes for the Waterpark. Do you know that this cardio class is actually free? Yes, you just need to book a lot from the ELSR app. I will put the details in the description section if you guys are interested. The Singapore Indoor Stadium is one of the smaller stadiums with 12,000 capacity. The other one, which is the National Stadium, has a 55,000 capacity. Here is the Sports Hub Library. We are unable to show the inside since video and photography is not allowed. This is the Sports Museum. Immerse in the world of sports and explore exciting and interactive exhibits. Entrance is free for local residents. Filming is not allowed inside the museum, so here are some photos. For cycling enthusiasts, this is the Shimano Cycling World. At Shimano Cycling World, visitors can view, walk through and interact with multitude of cycling exhibits, including a moving piece of installation art. They can also explore cycling paths in Singapore and upload trip journals and share images. They have a collection of bicycles throughout the years, and visitors can pull them out one by one to appreciate them. They also have bicycle maintenance workshops every now and then. Here visitors may freely use the bicycle tools. This is the Water Sports Centre, designed for kayaking, rowing, and dragon boat racing. You may rent a boat of your choice at the Water Sports Centre and enjoy a perfect day out on the water. You also get to have great cityscape views. You may also want to explore that Tanjong Ru Bridge and Lookout Tower. Here is the Kallang Wave Mall, if you want to have some retail therapy or just grab a bite. One of the attractions here is their indoor rock climbing wall. That's it for today guys, hope you like it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if there are places you would like us to visit in the future. Till next time, bye!